Hi everyone, my name is Chef Ten. Welcome to the World Food Studio. Today I would like to introduce for you the very nice simple breakfast they call hủ tiếu or rice noodle soup with pork bone, shrimp, squid and pork meat as well. To prepare for the hủ tiếu or Vietnamese called noodle soup with some pork and prawn today. We have to got some ingredients. We got some pork bone, we got some rice squid, we got some white radish with some rice noodles, bean sprout, chili, garlic, and shallots. So what we do right now here, I will add 1 tablespoon of oil into the pot. Then I add 2 teaspoons of garlic, 2 teaspoons of shallots, 2 teaspoons of chilies, and then I add the pork inside. Stir as well. Then I add the squid inside too. I add 1 cup of water. I cut up some white radish. White radish will making the soup more sweet and clear color. And then I add a tablespoon of mushroom powder, 2 teaspoons of sugar, tablespoon of fish sauce, and simmer for 1/2 hour. We will ready to be served. After 1/2 hour cooking the pork bone soup here, now I prepare how to serve in the pork bone soup here. I got a rice noodle here with some bean sprout and blanch it in the boiling water here. It's taking about 30 seconds to be 1 minute for cooking that noodle. Okay, that's good now. I transfer all the noodle in the basket again to dry up all the noodle. And I put the noodle into here. Now I got some pork being cooked, prawn also be cooked. I will skin up the prawn. The prawn go only for 30 seconds, only don't cooking too long. Put it to rice. Then put up here nicely. Pork I will slice them up thinner. The pork we taking about, we cooking the time for pork, it doesn't matter how long, it makes sure it's very well cooked because pork has got very high bacteria. Right, they're garnishing with some coriander and onion, nicely chopped. With a little bit chili as well for garnishing too. Just some sliced chili. Right, so the soup already been well nice right now here. I put all the soup inside. That's beautiful. Then I garnishing with some coriander, onion, some slice of chili on the side. And serve later with some mint, lettuce. Garnishing with some black pepper. You got a beautiful dry noodle soup with prawn and pork. Enjoy your time. Thank you very much.